RWJBarnabas Health, New Jersey's most comprehensive health system, salutes Pastor Pablo Pizarro Jr. for his passion and commitment towards helping improve the lives of members in New Jersey's communities. Pastor Pizarro grew up facing adversity and leaned heavily on his faith for support. At a young age, he decided to dedicate his life to helping improve the livelihood of those around him. Through his role as a pastor at the Lighthouse Assembly of God Church in Newark, New Jersey, he offers spiritual, economic, and social support to those in need. He has served as a Newark police chaplain and is currently a board member of My Brother's Keeper in Newark. Pastor Pizarro has taken the next steps in his mission by adopting local schools and bridging the gap between the communities, teachers, and students. He is an advocate for justice in his community and is a true symbol of dedication and care. RWJBarnabas Health salutes Pastor Pablo Pizarro Jr. for his perseverance towards enhancing the lives of the people around him. RWJBarnabas Health, let's be healthy together.